The warning service pedestrian alert system in a Chevy electric vehicle means that right now the system has no connection with the speaker that turns on when you drive slowly and alerts people around you that the car is on the road. The system is quite simple, with basically the speaker and the wires connecting it to the control units. And there are two basic culprits that trigger this warning: the faulty speaker, which is not that common, I would say, or the damaged wiring. Also, if you also get other lights and warnings, I would check the 12-volt battery with a load tester. Low voltage in the system may upset electronics and you may see random unrelated warnings. But unfortunately, the most common reason is wiring issues. The problem is that Chevy uses soy-based insulation that attracts rodents, and it's more often than you may think that mice, rats or squirrels get under the hood and chew the wires in these cars. There is a big chance that your outside temperature sensor will not be showing proper temperature, since the wiring of the sensor is in one harness with the pedestrian alert speaker wiring, and usually rodents have a good meal with both of those wires. Unfortunately, to fix this, you will need to take off the front bumper and repair the wiring, which is not cheap or easy to do.